Hello students, good morning. Welcome to a brand new class of maths. We are still continuing the third chapter, multiplication. And in the previous videos we have studied different methods of multiplication. So today we are going to deal with a simple topic, that is multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. It's a very simple and easy topic. So let's get started. Okay, here we are going to understand the concept with the help of some examples. Okay, here we have the multiplicand 2 and the multiplier is 10. Okay, the heading itself shows multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So first example, we are going to multiply a number with 10. So it's a very easy thing and no need of doing a complicated calculation in your margin or something. So 2 into 10, just write the multiplicand. So I have written the multiplicand 2. And in the multiplier, how many zeros are there? In the multiplier, how many zeros? Just count and tell me how many zeros are there in the multiplier. We have only one zero. So put that zero just right side of 1's place. Okay. So simply you got the answer. Very easy. Next is 2 into 100. Instead of 10, we are going to multiply with the number 100. That is also same. 2, writing the number multiplicand. Same multiplicand we have written. And in the multiplier, how many zeros are there? Write the same number of zeros just after the 2. That only the answer comes. In the multiplier, we have 2 zeros, that is of 100. Add both the zeros just after 2. So you got the answer 200. Next, we are moving to 1000. 2 into 1000. Here also, write the number 2. And what is the next step? In the multiplier, how many zeros are there? Count and write the same number of zeros just after the 1's place. So I wrote 3 zeros. So you got the answer 2000. And the next example, 2 multiplied by 10,000. 10,000. Here also write 2. And in the multiplier we have 4 zeros. Write all the 4 zeros. You got the answer 20,000. So this is very simple. 2 into 10, 20, 2 into 100, 200, 2 into 1000, 2000 and 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Only thing you have to write the multiplicand and in the multiplier count and write how many zeros are there. The same number of zeros you have to add at the right side of 1's place. You will get the answer. So next one more example. In your book one mental maths is given with the number 128. Instead of 2 we have another number 128 multiplied by 10. Can you give the answer? 128, write 128, multiplicand, same multiplicand you have to write. And in the multiplier, tell me how many zeros? Only 1 zero. Add the same number of zeros. 128 into 100, what will be the answer? 128 into 100. First write 128. And in 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Write the same number of zeros just after the 1's place. So you got the answer. No need to do any multiplication, okay? We can avoid the complicated steps of doing in the multiplication. Simply write the multiplicand and in the multiplier, how many zeros are there? The same number of zeros you have to add after the 1's place. That much only. 128 and in 1000, can you count and tell me the number of zeros? We have 3 zeros. Write the same number of zeros. Next 128 into 10,000. 128 and write as the same number of zeros. We have 4 zeros. So mental maths questions are over. Okay, do in the book. Mental maths questions given as dash. You have to fill that answers in the dash. Next, we are directly jumping into the next heading. Multiplication by multiples of 10. Which are the multiples of 10? Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. These are the multiples of 10. So what will be the answer when you multiply a number with the multiples of 10 instead of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 till now we are saying that one. And now we are moving to the next topic, multiplication by multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40. All these are multiples of 10. So we can see what will be the answer if you multiply a number by the multiples of 10. What will be the answer? First question, that is your exercise 3b. This is the first question of exercise 3b. 23 into 20. you can see here the multiplier is a multiple of 10. It's a multiple of 10, 20. Instead of 10, we have 20 here. This calculation also simple. Don't do the complicated calculation. Simply multiply 23 into 2. You just leave the 0. Leave 0. Then the remaining numbers we are going to multiply. 23 is the multiplicand and multiplier is 20. We are leaving the 0 and taking only the digit 2. So, what will be the answer? You will get the answer 46. Then after that, how many zeros we left? And write that same number of zeros. Of 20 we have only one zero and that 0 we have written there. Okay, so simply you got the answer very easily. 23 into 2, 46 and add 0. And we are moving to the second example, question number B. 1325 into 4000. That is also multiple of 10. 4000. In this case, we have 3 zeros are there. We are omitting the zeros. And the remaining numbers we are going to multiply. 1325 into 4. Shall we see the answer? 5300. Answer is 5300. And after doing this simple multiplication, then add zeros. We have 3 zeros of 4000. Add all the 3 zeros of 4000. So, you got the answer 53 lakh. 53 lakh as the answer. Question number C of exercise 3B. 5123 into 300 into 300. Here you can see 300 also multiple of 10. 300 also a multiple of 10. Can you tell me how can we do the answer simply, easily, in an easy way? 5123 should be multiplied with the 3 first. So you will get the answer 15,369. You got answer 15,369. And how many zeros we have to add at the end? 2 zeros, that is of 300. 2 more zeros we have to add, that is of 300. So I think that is easy. This multiplication, we are not doing the multiplication with 0. We are leaving the 0 while doing the multiplication. Then when you get the product, at that time you have to add the zeros. So that is simple. Okay, so by this we are ending the simple chapter, multiplication of a number with 10, 100 and 1000, and again multiplication with multiples of 10. Try to complete exercise 3B in your copy, in your maths copy. Thank you and have a nice day.